Coming up, debris,
Oh God, is that sheep?
history,
Basically 1,000 years ago.
and lunch.
Edit this out.
In the Škoda Yeti's replacement, the Karoq.
Well, today you join me in a carrot-coloured Škoda Karoq, and I'm back on Exmoor, heading back to the Valley of Rocks. Sheep, don't want to hit that. Although it could mean roast lamb. Cost-effective roast lamb as well. Anyway, back to the job in hand. A bit wet today, but that's a good test. Come on, Karoq. Hey, it goes well. It's a bit bouncy, isn't it? But it's good.
The DSG auto gearbox is fairly handy, but can be a bit reluctant to change down.
Having said that, this is a replacement of the Yeti, a van basically, for carting around your family, or lampshades, or sofas, or submarines.
The dear Yeti's 400-litre boot capacity is no match for the Karoq's 500-litre architecture.
Now it's a good road, and I thought we'd bring it along and give it its opportunity to reply to the criticism we gave it in the Yeti film. What fell over? This one is four-wheel drive, and it's coming in a bit handy here.
Can I put a glove on?
Can you wear a glove? Yeah, there is one actually. Do I look like I'm made of gloves?
Yeah.
Super Hands, 2011. Look at this road!
But what about the car?
You know, it's big, it's spacious, it's arguably a bit better looking than the Yeti, but I wonder if it's as lovable. I don't think it's as endearing. I think it's more trendy and more modern and probably better, but not as lovable.
But then, the Karoq took revenge.
Oh God, skilly on the... Is that sheep? This is where Grandpa got lost, but I've got sat-nav.
Oh, sugar, where? Oh.
Come on, Karoq, give me the front end I need. A little bit of understeer, but we're okay for a big car. I'm impressed. It's like a rally stage. Ooh, gravel. A little bit loose. The front end is not bad. This is a good road test road. Nice work, Kaorq. Yes.
Despite the Karoq weighing a bit more than its predecessor, it drives pretty well.
That was good. And we are nearly at Lynton. A bit more lovable than perhaps I thought. Okay, this is steep. God, this is steep. Cool gearbox. To be fair, it's dropped down nice and quick. We're off. Will it jump up? Yeah, up to third. Nice.
30 on the dash. Yeah, we ride it slow, but that money
Smell good scenery.
Smell those goats.
So that's not the goats. The goats of Lynton were recorded in the Doomsday Book that William Conqueror wrote in back. Why is that funny? This is information for the viewers. Right, uphill
okay,
now.
we've been
Forget the
serious now.
academia. Let's
Alright.
go uphill. Come on, Kaorq. You'll be laughing in a minute when we're pulling 4G.
As I was saying, the Doomsday Book, written by your boy William the Conqueror, was a book listing the quantities of various things across England back in 1086, or about 1,000 years ago.
They mention in there 75 goats in the manor of Lyntonia, which is the Valley of Rocks where we're going. So for 1,000 years-ish, there have been goats here. I'm saying all that. We'll get there and they won't be there today, but I'm sure they will be. I hope so.
Soon we made it to Lynton,
Right, we've made it to Lynton.
and although I liked it there,
And there was a dreadful flood here.
not much was happening.
Grandpa was telling me.
So we pushed on to
The Valley of Rocks. And they weren't kidding, were they? I really love it now.
Wow, that is pretty amazing.
The Karoq, like its grandfather before it, has made it. Its grandfather being the Yeti. Goats!
Oh my god.
Hello, goats!
This is the only reason why I came.
Oh, there are goats. Life's complete again.
But I needed a journalistic conclusion.
I don't think I love it as much as the Yeti. It's just not as kind of engaging and characterful as the Yeti. But it's a very good car. It drives really well. This one's all-wheel drive. I think it'd be pretty good in the snow. Maybe.
And then, once again, my automotive journalism took over.
This It's an optional extra, but there's this useful phone holding thing, which will also take an iPad, I think. Then there's also a lovely table which folds out, and then there's a cup holder that folds out of there. It's just ideal, really, for a lovely spot of lunch as you're touring the British Isles or wherever you might be. Mexico. You've let this out. And then you can just sit back here and enjoy a meaty delicacy. Still think I prefer the Yeti.
With that settled, I was physically restrained from any further reviewing and went for a walk round the headland.
Would you look at these goats? Look, they really are fearless. As they are known for their steep hill knowledge. Wales, look. The country, not obviously the animal.
And then things got biblical.
Oh my goodness. It's Jesus, I think. Wow. That the heavens are opening, I think it is Jesus. Oh my God, this is massive.
After Christ had been represented by the Magi unto us,
Billy Goat's grass.
it was back to the goats.
What is that? A story about some goats that go over a bridge.
But where was Jesus Christ our Saviour when I needed him?
So we were just round by the headland, and these divs let their dog off its lead, which is fine up the top of the valley, but they come down and you know there are goats here. That's why we're all here. And the dog's just chasing after the goats, which are then having to run out towards the edge of the cliff. Owning a dog, you have to feed it, put it on a lead, and not let it run after animals that aren't yours, or people. Anyway.
What a place the Valley of Rocks is, a hidden Devonian gem. Oh, and the Karoq isn't bad either. But for me, the Yeti remains the goat. The Lynton goat. It's good, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, okay.